Welcome to 5 tips on how to make money in college. Number 1, save money. I work at Target and there's a Starbucks in the store, so I'm always tempted to get a Starbucks. I learned that from my old manager. He would always order the double chocolate chip. That's the best thing that they got. He got me hooked. So stop spending money. Number 2, get a job. If you're in high school or if you're in college, if you're just a young person, get a job. You have youth. Make use of it. Get a job. Number 3, once you have a stable income from a job, focus on side hustles. Flipping cars. If you have a little bit of extra money, buy some cars. Spend a little bit here and there on making the parts better, cleaning it up really well, giving it a new paint job. Boom, you just made like $300 in profit right there.
That's an extra $300 a month.
Or extra $400 a month, or however big you want to go. Flip some tickets. Buy Broadway tickets, buy show tickets, buy sports tickets. Flip them. Go out there, sell those tickets. Phones, if you have any phones lying around, old iPhones, old Samsung, go on eBay, sell those. People will buy. Number 4, social media. Make use of social media, especially us young people who are avid users of social media. Grow your following. What I've been doing is growing it slowly. Ever since I started posting more pictures, I've gotten followers, and I aim on getting more and more and posting more and more quality pictures. And then eventually I will begin to attract people wanting me to sponsor their products, and I've already gotten a couple of messages and I'm working on those currently. And number 5, online business. Shopify, Amazon, eBay, look them up. This has been 5 tips on how to make money as a young person in college or high school. By the way, if you don't hit the subscribe button right now, you're lame.